Welcome to the beginning of the next video. Plus P&L 28, cycle of the blue moon, 40. 12, 68 equals 56. This is what this plus means, okay? 19, 40, 68. 68 over here, this is the initial. Okay, I'm taking the initial away at the 68 to create 56. Okay, the year is 5,777. What year will this happen in? 2017. The Hebrew year 5777 to the seventh gate 2000. Next year, the year 2000. To the start position of the center of all, we create 5333. Lovejoy. When we get the pass and we pass in between, we get 8666 to the two sides. The same time, we have to remember, in order to create this, this will be 2999. 9 and 7, 16. 9 and 7, 16. 9 and 7, 16. Okay, will equal 777. So when we add up all these positions now, 2, we add up 5, and we add up 8. 7 and 8, 15 equals to 6. Then we add up the second position. 7 and 3 is 10 equals to 16 equals to 7. We get 6777 is the number. And 6777 is the number. But if we put them to 999, we end up with 6. 9 and 9, 18. 9 and 9, 18. 9 and 9, 18. We end up with 6999 next year. 27 and 6. 27. Here, I did it over here. All 16s will create 48. Pluto space to the gateway. Now we're going to do this one over here in the minus side. Minus mi equals to 22. 76 is the total. Okay. Minus and plus the 54 equals 2. 32 and 22 is 54. The sun, the gateway, in the spirit of 1-6, area space 44. The distance between here and here. S-P-A-C-E, S-T and E. Now, the minus world, okay, this will say 5 minus 4 equals to 1. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6, 7 minus 6. So here we have the 4 world is 666 and 8. And then we have the 4 world 666 and 4. To the minus and the plus. The minus is inside the sun of life. And the other one is inside the 9 lives of the cat. MP, PM, P7, M4. Jesus, the same numbers, time, the same numbers, hanging on the cross. 7 and 4, the gateway. 7 and 4, where the 1 spirit passes. And 1, 3, 3, 3 in the minus world. 5 and 1, Mars. 8 and 4, Pluto. 5184 times 5 equals the Mayan count of 25,920. 18 is Ra. 5-4 is the sun. 5-8 is the spirit matrix of Trinity, of where 3 is created. 3 is created by the IT world inside the sun, which is now 1 and 4. Now we're going to go on to the next one. Now inside the next one, 2017 in the plus world, 4 times 2, 4 plus 2, 4 and 2. Take a look where they are, right? Are over here. 2 times 4, 2 plus 4 will equal to the star system over here, the diamond shape. We get 5760 in the year 5760. Then we get into the star 1, star 10, because the crisscross of this calculator 19738246 are all 10s. We get 8093. 9 lives of the cat creation. Remember position. 1 position, 10 position, 10 position, 1 position, 1 position, 10 position, 100 position, 1000 position. Next level. If it's a next level, take away the 3 and add it with the 8. 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. Next side of 1. Gematria way of counting. We get to the far, the passageway, the 24 day of DC. The 26 dog, the 24 cat. Anyways, we're not going to get into the whole Misa Misa with this. We're just going to go 9 and 6 and 9, 8 and 3, 3 and 6 into the world of 2, right? 2 and what? 2 and 8. I'm just adding up these two numbers. But remember, this one will become 26. If this became 26, all these numbers change. If this is 26 in this world, this becomes 5160. It says Mars. If this was 26, this one over here would be 1, this would be 4, this would be 8-4. It would say Pluto, and 8-4 is 12, 1 and 2 is 3, this would say 3-3 inside the 1. If this one over here was 6, 26, in fact, we're going to show you at 2617, which is Q and Z and is found on the debit machine, this will now say 5160. This will say 8493, and this will say 2736. Creation of the red sun inside Pluto, Saturn, Mars time. 993366. 368369. 993366. This is what Q and Z makes everything easy to transfer sides. In 2017, the number is 5760. Look at that. But it's to the minus side, so it's all PPP, all pluses. This is where I'm minusing. In this area over here, 2. Okay, we want to bring it down to 1. I cannot with the first one. There is no minus. The second one over here, it's 0. It has to stay at 0. There is no minus. Remember, 2007, bringing it to the 1. Sorry, I have to go up 1. You know what I'm doing? I'm bringing it up 1. In this one over here, okay, see this one over here, 2017? 2017, in order to bring it to the 1, I have to minus 1. So I put this one backwards over here. 8, 1, 1, 6. Bring 7 down to 1 is 6. Bring 1 down to 1. Oh, I move it 0. I was correct the first time. And then this one over here, I have to bring it up. So it's plus, plus, Venus, okay, inside 0, 6. 0 equals 64 Zion. It is the center. This is in the 10 position. PP, MP, plus and minus. And this one over here, 2 plus 2 is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. Minus plus 3 and 3. This is 6. This is 6. This is 7. This is 6. This is 3. This is 6. So this is the minus plus. I know I came out a little bit more complicated. Now this is the end of time. What the end of time means is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Times 47 equals to 5781. 1, 2, 3 times 74 equals to 9102 minus 5781 equals to 3321. Creation of the doorway to the cube. 1, 2, 3 ABC. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. We'll continue us. We're not going to talk about it. This is the year 2021. In the year 2021, at the gateway, it reflects 2016. Inside the star spirit in 2021, 29 is your birth. Creation of the C and E worlds, okay, which is a system which is 1, 1 to the gateway, 1 and 2, and 6 and 6. The password to the 9 lives of the cat, 8 and 6, 5 and 3. This is 2016 is reflected in 5 years from now. And this is the minus system. We're not going to get into that. So 2017 will reflect the year 2000. 5781 will reflect this year. We're going to go back one. 5777 reflects the year 2000 at the 7th gate. So let's go over it again. 5777 in October, we are going to reflect the year 2000 this year. That means a year and a half later from now, okay? In 21 months from this September, okay? 21 months, let's say from 2 years in 2000, that means in 2018, the same thing of the Twin Towers will happen. But since time is going forward, we have to move back. So instead of having the same 21-month period, it'll move back a few months, okay? So this October is the year 2000. We reach the year 2017. We reach the year 2000 again. This is the year 2000 Hebrew time. Then when we reach 2021, we reach the year 2016. Now, do we have 2021 here? I was just working on it now, but I'm going to work 2021 over here. 2021 to the 7th gate is 5, 7, 5, 6. This year, okay, 777, this year is equal to 1996. This is equal to 1996. And we can go on. If we want to find George Orwell, right? If I want to find George Orwell's year, okay, which is 1984, I need to remove 12 from here. So I would have to put George Orwell. George Orwell, 1984 equals to 2033, which will make 5, 7, 4, 4, which will make 6, 7, 8, 3. I want to see that I got that correct. George L. Orwell's 1944 has to do with bringing this one down 10 years. Anyways, I'm not going to do this right now. I'm going to just skip over that. Into the 1 star, the spirit center heart, bringing down this to 1. This will be 8. This will be a total. Bringing this to 1, I need 1. Bringing this to 1, I need 8, and I need 9. These are the same numbers you find in Fibonacci. This is the birth spirit gateway, 818. Venus, Venus, 1717. It directs us right inside Mars. 8 times 1 and plus 1, 17. 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 8 times 1, 8 times 9, 8 plus 9 equals to 89 again. 8 and 9 is 17. This one will be 1 times 8, 1 plus 8. 1 times 8, 1 plus 8. 9 and 8, 17. 8 times 9 is 72. 8 plus 9 is 17. 7 and 2 is 9. 17 is 8. It becomes 8, 9 again. And this one becomes 8, 1. 8, 1, 8, 9. The numbers reflect the same. We bring this to the 4 worlds. This one gets a 2. This one gets a 4. This one gets a 2. And this one gets a 3. We can have creation of the 9 lives in the moon. 9 to 5 over here. Cat over here. There's a bunch of things, but I want to go to George Orwell, 6783, 1984. In 1984, how do I reflect it in these years? If this is 1998, okay, no, 1996, okay, what Hebrew year is for 1984? So I'm going to have to, 1984, the Hebrew New Year was 5,700, and I was born in 5724, and 1963, this would have been 21 years, 5745. So it's 5745. So this would be 5745. 5745. I made a mistake. Let me write this down here. I'm a little bit long. I had it right underneath. 5745 is George Orwell's year. So that would mean to the seventh gate we have 2032. 26, 32. 32 is the doorway. 32. 2 times 3, 2 plus 3, 6 and 5, creating 41, creating the IT system. 45 is the foxhole. Jesus is inside 74, creation of G&E. 1984 creates 7. Now we're going to bring it down to the 1 world, okay? 1, we need 5 over here. 1, we need 3. 1, we need 6. 1, we need 5. 3 and 6 creation inside 55. Now we need the 4 world. So we go 8, then we need 6, then we need 9, and then we need 8 again. 86 creation of the high sky, 69 spirit of the cat, 9 lives of the cat, and then over here into the 4 world, we're going to need 3, we're going to need 4, we're going to need 5, and we're going to need 0. DC creation of the half-life. So I just have to go over these to talk about these numbers to say why I'm saying these things. So I just want to show you that in 2016, we're repeating 1996. Excuse me, in 2021, it says 2016. In 2021, okay, over here, it shows the Jewish year of 1996. We're spreading apart. This is 16 and 4, a total of 20. In 5781, this was the minus world, so I don't want to talk about it. In 2017, we're reflecting the year 2000. So in the next 2 years, we're coming back to reflect, okay, the Mars system of creation of Saturn and Pluto. Raphael, 7286, in a constellation of Pegasus. There's just so many numbers, and without someone asking me a question, I'm just going to throw around the ball and say, throw it up, throw it out, throw it here, throw it there. But all in all is the numbers. Mathematics. And I want to come out just one little thing Levette mentioned. I just want to show her that, yes, 100% those numbers go round and round. Round and round, round and round. So let me get back to... Wow, it's back in my book. I haven't done... Ah, here it is. Here is the addition table. All the way up to 100 in sets of 4, and then the 5th one. I left out 5 and 10 and added it in after. The multiplication, big time. You take any one of these, 753, 3, any one of these, okay, divide them by 3. 753, 357, 573, 741, 147, 4. Divide them by 3s. Then add them up. See what the dividing number is. This, my friend, is the answer. When you do it in Magic Square, and in here, we get different cycles. In Magic Square, this one will hold the 8, 56, the red sun. In Magic Square, 54, this will hold the regular sun, the 2 suns. Man comes in as 9 to fish through the 7th gate to live into the split sandy heaven. Why is 9 to fish? Because in your belly, it's all water and jelly or whatever you're eating. Okay, inside of here, it's 55, creates C and E, any craps. 1 and 1, 1 and 2, and 6 and 6. Inside of here, the 7th gate of Uranus creates 55, freedom inside 55. Thank you for watching these videos.